How to fix iPhone frozen on lock screen? If your iPhone also hang on lock screen, then here are the fixes. Initial workaround is restart your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone first and simply reboot your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix various major issue of your device, either Windows, either iPhone or any other device. So apply first and initial workaround is restart your iPhone and check whether your iPhone still stuck hang on lock screen, then force restart your iPhone. First volume up button, volume down button and press home button until Apple logo appear on your screen. Force restart your iPhone and check whether your error iPhone struck or frozen on lock screen resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and go to notification and make sure that show previews is set as always. If you have already set as never, then change it and set at previews as always. And check whether your iPhone is stuck on iPhone frozen on lock screen error resolved or not. If not, one more fixes is tap on settings again and scroll down and tap on general settings of your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on iPhone storage and make sure that sufficient storage space is available on your iPhone. And if you found any recommendation, then follow it. Offload unused apps, follow this, and optimize photos, follow this action as recommended by Apple.